The Mopit squeegee blade is a vital part of the overall system. It's literally where the rubber meets the road. What holds the squeegee blade in place and connects it to the vacuum system is called the squeegee bar assembly. The squeegee bar assembly is made up of the squeegee bar, a squeegee blade, the squeegee bar insert, held in place by a wing nut, the lower squeegee bracket, the squeegee pedal, the squeegee horn, 2 black deflector wheels, and 2 white squeegee wheels. Changing your Mopit squeegee blade on a regular basis is part of routine maintenance. But in the rare event that the squeegee bar assembly becomes damaged, the whole assembly will have to be replaced. The only tool you'll need to perform this repair is a flathead screwdriver. We'll be performing this demonstration on the Mopit Mid, but the Max is exactly the same, only bigger. With the Mopit on its back, pull the cotter pin and remove the clevis pin, allowing the assembly to drop down. Using the flathead screwdriver, loosen the hose clamp and disconnect the hose from the assembly. You can now install the new squeegee bar assembly by following these same steps in reverse order. Reattach the hose and tighten the hose clamp. Make sure the hose is at a right angle to the top of the bar, or it won't fit properly against the bottom of the machine, and that the hose clamp screw is located on the inside of the elbow, in this fashion. In order to reinsert the clevis pin, the holes in the upper and lower squeegee brackets must be perfectly aligned. This is generally the hardest step and will probably take some finagling. To better demonstrate this alignment in the video, we've removed a wheel to make it easier to see. Once the holes are in alignment, slide the clevis pin back into place and secure it with the cotter pin. Then, stand the Mopit up. Give us a call at 1-800-290-2833 or email us at mopit@mopit.com if you have any servicing or other questions about your Mopit. Thanks for being a Mopit customer.